Hello everyone, I'm Sumit from Calcutta, an entrepreneur in the telecom space for last couple of years with a commerce and a chartered accountancy background. And he would be my partner, Siddharth.
Yeah, hi guys. I'm Siddharth. I graduated from IIM Calcutta in 2007. Straight away started with my own venture called kitnebaje.com, and now we are with Convista. There are three more guys in our team, Sneh, Prabhash and Pankaj. These guys are from technology enthusiasts from IIT Kharagpur. These guys could not make it because of short notice to Proto. I would love to have them here. Okay, since we are active in the startup space for last 2 years, have been to almost all the protos which have been happening since. We have been interacting a lot with people who are startup aspirants. I met a guy called Pankaj. He wanted to start his online catch coaching center. And then there was another guy called Akash. He wanted to start something online for coaching for GRE GMAT. Then there was another guy, there was another lady rather, Aarti, who wanted to start something like a online art of living classes. These guys were specifically people with domain expertise. They were domain experts, but knew nothing of technology. They wanted us to help them out. Then we thought, why not create a software which will address to all needs of all three of them. But during the design phase, we thought, hold on a second, why just three of them? Why not? Why not many of such domain experts who understand their spaces but do not understand technology, who are spaced across the globe, we can help them out with the same thing. So we came up with Convista. The screen resolution is not very good. We have to, this is like a stopgap arrangement thing. So basically, Convista stands for a content wizard and testing application. We wanted to keep it this simple. Convista helps people who have got quality content to go online as a ready-made solution. So just if you look at the current system, like you can have just like knowledge management. There is a knowledge management section where you can basically slice and dice any kind of content into chapters, curriculums, into subtopics anyway. Then basically you also have a testing engine in it, which can basically, you can again configure tests as practice tests, subtests, or any kind of, you're in total control of what you want to slice and dice your content into in the portion of curriculum and testing. Okay, now whom are we targeting here? Our end user is a student who wants to learn something, but this is not our target customer. Our target customer are domain experts, the content owners. People who have domain expertise, who want to reach out to a larger audience. In what we provide to them, is ready to use technology, security for the intellectual property, and basically zero cost of technology with sustained maintenance at a very affordable cost. Now, okay. So now when we have understood the market, let me see like how do we make money out of it. Some things are obvious, like we will be charging, we have two ways to go about this. First is like we are specifically keeping the startup mentality in mind, where we would be going for a revenue share model. If you want to start something online and you want to sell it forward, we will control the entire payment execution and payment collection, and we will take a revenue share from it. Otherwise, if you are very confident, you have an established user base, you are an offline institute, you want to go online, we can go for a usage-based rental model. Now, once we have done with the revenue, we would like you to inform you about the competitive space. Now, among this other startups, other players in the market are viziq.com and edufire.com. I guess you must have heard of viziq.com. A lot of focus in this space is going on active learning, as these guys are primarily placed in the active teaching part, where the professor is providing online classes in terms of live video conferencing. But we are targeting passive teaching, where a person, it need not be a professor, it can be anybody who wants to teach guitar, anybody who is a spiritual leader, anybody who has got content can schedule it according to his own curriculum and make a course out of it. So it's a passive learning, where students did not basically maintain their own time zones or need to have scheduled classes. They can just go online and program the course according to their own needs and own time availability. So this is where we are helping the content owners not only to go online, but to scale. Teachers, the content owners like are celebrities, in the sense they earn money through their presence. So we are helping them a venue to scale themselves. They can provide a one-time effort to digitize their content, which we will be obviously digitizing for them. But they can then sell it again and again without much involvement from their side. So we are providing complete IP creation and enhancement and enrichment for them. Constant feedback from the students will enrich their IP, and we are providing them a complete solution where people who are freelancers who don't have an organized approach to creating content can put their content creation into a process. They can slowly start digitizing the content, put it together, and make a curriculum out of it. So Convista is a content wizard and a testing engine which helps content owners go live as a ready-made solution. This is what we have.